Location manager is responsible for finding all your locations. So you need a bar, so that person is going to find you 5 bars, and then you'll have the ability to choose the bar that works best for you. And then the location manager will then be responsible for all the details and all the logistics of bringing you out to that bar, and hopefully creating an environment for you to film that location for the day.